Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Armstrong Power Bank. It's a 10,000 mAh, so milliamps. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we got the, it says 10,000 mAh. So it's Armstrong Power Bank. It's hard to see with the camera. Armstrong Power Bank. It says alarm, anti-theft protection. So I guess it does, according to what it says right here, it does ring at the door. I don't know if they have that security or not, or if that's just to scare people away. Anyways, we got item number 64488. So 64488, and it says Armstrong there. We got dependable power on the go, 3.1 amp rapid charge. Yeah, this power bank, I have two other power banks. One broke down already, so I just decided to replace it with this. These power banks, I don't know if you guys do have these, but it's something that's really necessary, especially if you're out camping or if you're out on a long trip or something like that, and you need power for your cell phone or your I don't know if it'll power your laptop long enough, but your cell phone definitely it'll power it up, and a tablet. So it says here on the back we got Armstrong 3.1 amp rapid charge. So it is a rapid charge according to this. Universal USB output, and it does have a micro USB input, so you can connect pretty much. It's a little standard connection there for the charging part of this device. You got features: rapid charge, 3.1 amp, shared dual USB ports, so you got two, micro USB cable included. It says compatible with most smartphones and tablets. It says distributed by Harbor Freight, made in China. As you can see there on the box, we do have a wire in there. It's good to see it. And here in the bag, nothing. And on the very top, you got it says output 1, output 2, so USB 1, USB 2, and then you got input there, which is a micro USB, and then you got a power button there. So let's take this apart. Now it's when you're cutting, make sure there's no wires or anything in there, because it does come with wires, with the wire. Alright. Get this apart. It's fighting. Alright, we don't need this anymore. Okay. Let's see here. We got instruction manual here. Just a couple pages, maybe a few pages. Instruction manual. Set that aside, and then we got a little wiring micro USB charger, so you can connect it to the wall or to a computer to charge it, or you can connect this to your phone to charge your phone. So we'll just plug it in a bit. This is the power bank itself. That is the power bank. It says Armstrong. You could feel the plastic or the letters. You can feel them with the finger. This is gloss black or gloss white, I mean. You guys could see the difference in the material. It is gloss, this part. It's actually all the way around, so all this is gloss. It looks like on the back we got Armstrong 10,000 mAh power bank, 5 volts DC, 3.1 amps, maximum 37 watts or 37 WH. Risk of power burns. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that. Don't store more than 140 degrees. Okay. We got item number 64488. Serial number there. Alright, for the measurements, we got 3.3. That's how wide it is. And the length is 4.3. And the thickness, it's point, if you guys could see it, 0.8, so less than an inch. Here on the top we got the on and off button, and as you guys could see, that's the light that comes on, and you can't see it, but yeah, those are the lights. Obviously if you have 3, I don't know if there's a 4th one, might be a 4th one in there. Yeah, let's plug it in, see how it works. Alright, we got a wire here, regular USB. So it does, so you guys could see there, that's how it is. It's flashing when it's charging, from what it looks like. Let's see here, let me just plug it in again, see what it does. I think it does have 4 LEDs. Yeah, it looks like it has 4. So right now it just has, it's on the 3rd bar. Anyways, we're not going to charge it. We're going to test it with 3 bars. Okay, where's my phone at? Probably because it was... Alright, we got my phone here. It's an S8. It's a real old phone. Been using this for work. So I got micro USB-C here. We'll just put it on output 1. See what it is. See what it does. And do we have connection? It says charging 54%. It doesn't say fast charging, but it says it's charging. It says charging 59 minutes until charged. Okay, so this is not really a fast charger, at least at the port number 1. We'll look at port number 2. It says charging 55%. So I guess it might be a fast charger. I'm not gonna, come on. It says charging 54. Yeah, this might be a fast charger compared to the older ones, but it's not really a fast charger for the newer phones. Because this isn't, well, this is not newer, but you know, it's one of the newest. Obviously it's an S8. There's an S9 and S10 already coming out. So but this is compatible with rapid charging, and this is not a rapid charger. This is just a regular charger, which is not bad, guys, because it's still going to charge your phone. You know, it's still going to charge your phone, and you know, it pretty much is going to keep it charged. So right now it's working. It worked on both, and as you can see, you got the LEDs there turned on. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this, and we'll look at it, see if it see how long it takes, and I'm gonna go ahead and discharge it, like charge my phone with this, and see how long it will take, or see how many bars it will take to discharge. Alright guys, well this was it for today. I'll see if I can either, you know, do a couple more clips or do another video of following up with this Armstrong battery charger. I'll do like maybe like a month review or something like that, because I will be using this. So I will be doing like a month review on this and let you guys know if it's how it's doing, if it's performing well, because I do have two other more batteries I can compare it with. Yep. Alright, well thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.